Hello everyone. So this video is going to be about MetaHuman. As you can see, we're going to switch from the old character or default character to MetaHumans. So just follow with me and let's get started. You can just come here to the plugins and look for MetaHuman Creator, and this just restarts it. So when you restart the editor, we're going to come here to the characters. We create a folder, name it MetaHuman, open it, and then here in MetaHuman character, let's call it MetaHuman character, and let's name it something. Make it character, and we just open it, and here enable missing and restart. Save. So we can just come over the MetaHuman character and open it. So let's pin it here and let's make it here skin, and for the quality let's just make it high, or we can just come over here and double click to use a preset. Come here to the body, and you can play with, like for the height, I'm going to and we're gonna make it like this, just a little bit. Just play with this. And like this. For the heat, you can just come, and we don't have presets, so we can just drag some here. So when you're like for the eyes, the makeup, hairstyle, just play with these settings. When you're done, just come, this one is optimized, and settings, let's make them like high. When we want to save, we can save it in characters, and we name it something like Lara, and create folder rig. You need to log in into your account. So when the folder rig is created, we can just so right now, just click over here, click here, and download the texture. And then just do it this way, and when you get this green assemble, just click over it and wait for the character to complete. So when it's done, you can just close this, and if we come here to the character, as you can see, we have this new class here. We can just open it, and here in the body, we're going to choose copy pose. For the face, copy pose. And we can just delete these things. And we're going to come here and reparent blueprint and look for tagged actor. It's saved here in the class default. In the static gameplay tags, look for feminine and medium body. So, and we come to the character again, cosmetics, pick random character, and here we need to go with Laura. So if we test it right now, we get the character moving in the level.
So this is it.